In this video, I will show you how to backup your any file using the Google Drive desktop application. So firstly, download Google Drive and open it. Now to backup for your file, like I want to backup this video. So copy, open the Google Drive and paste here. And paste here. That's it. So this way you can make backup and also you can delete any file or folder from your Google Drive. Thanks for watching.